Discover the charm of Desconocida cotton fabrics crafted from 100% pure cotton with vibrant sunfest dyes that stay bright wash after wash. Each set includes 7 unique patterns featuring flowers, dots, squares, and geometric designs in fresh colors like blue and pink. Pre-cut into 50 cm by 50 cm squares, these lightweight yet durable fabrics are perfect for quilting, sewing, and creative EI projects. Easy to use and versatile, they are ideal for making clothing, home decor, gifts, and more. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the aZengear repair patches, the ultimate quick fix solution for all your tear and rip emergencies. These waterproof, durable patches are super easy to apply. Just peel and stick. With 11 pre-cut shapes and sizes, they suit all your gear. From jackets and shoes to inflatable boats and tents, made from tear-resistant, weatherproof, heavy-duty nylon polyester fabric, they keep your belongings in perfect shape, no sewing or ironing needed. Get back to your adventures in seconds. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Mission Darkness TitanRF, the ultimate Faraday fabric trusted worldwide by military and law enforcement professionals for digital privacy and signal shielding. This lab-tested, high-shielding textile blocks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cell signals, including 5G networks, GPS, RFID, and radio waves from low MHz to 40 GHz. Its large, versatile sheet can be cut, sewn, or taped to create custom signal-proof enclosures. Protect your data and reduce electromagnetic radiation easily and effectively. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a safe and versatile filling? I Want Polyester Dacron is fully fire retardant and comes in beautiful white polyester. Available in both 27-inch and 54-inch widths with weights of 2 ounces, 4 ounces, 6 ounces, and 8 ounces. It is perfect for upholstery furnishings, quilting, crafts, cushions, and many other creative projects. Sold by the meter, this high-quality filling offers safety and flexibility for all your ideas. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment.